मेरी मेरी माँ भी देख सकती है और उतना ही एंजॉय कर सकती है, और मेरा कोई दोस्त है स्कूल का, मैं उसको भी रेकमेंड कर सकता हूँ कि भाई गुना देख. सो देर इज कंटेंट विच caters to the active audience as well as the TV audience. So Guna is, I feel, something like that, you know. That's why they've kept it free on mobile. सीधे साधे भोले वाले कैरेक्टर्स ज्यादा किए नहीं है, किया है तो एक हाथ दो बार किया है, वो भी मराठी फिल्म्स में. वो अब पहली चीज जो मैं देखता हूँ दैट इज द कैरेक्टर. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इस शो में.
First of all, obviously, Kashmir, thanks for being with IWM Buzz. Obviously, we know that you have lots of stuff. You're suddenly back on the radar. Not that you were missing or you were just.
I was actually. I was good. I was. I'm quite open about it. For 8 months, I was missing due to certain personal reasons, which we won't get into now. It's all done and dusted. It's a very positive phase now that is beginning. So, but yeah, good. Yeah.
Right. Amazing. Amazing. So now that all this is happening, and especially something so big on Hotstar, it's really fascinating that because right now nobody knows anything about the show, about the character, and everything. And now Hotstar has really had some interesting shows over the years. What is it about this show, which now we know is titled Guna, is that excited you the most about the character and about the show?
The first and the most primary thing is the character always, Kunal, for me. Whenever I take the narration, they narrated the script and the story to me. First they narrated the story, then they gave me the first 6 episodes to read.
Okay.
So the पहली चीज जो मैं देखता हूँ that is the character. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ इस show में. That is the most important thing to me. So the second thing is the screenplay and the dialogue, which I loved. I loved in the sense it's interesting. It's because it's one guy who plays the hero. He's the hero of the show. And he ends up being the anti-hero towards the end. So there's like, and अभी तक क्या है ना, या तो मैंने बहुत सीधे साधे भोले वाले कैरेक्टर्स ज्यादा किए नहीं है, किया है तो एक हाथ दो बार किया है, वो भी मराठी फिल्म्स में. और हिंदी में मैंने ज्यादातर एग्रेसिव कैरेक्टर्स किए. I've always done aggressive characters. This is the only character which is passive aggressive. He's not externally aggressive. He's passive, but you can sense his aggression all the time. It's very weird. If I can't explain it in words, you'll have to. But when you see the episodes, now you'll understand what I'm trying to say.
Correct.
तो वो कि उसका चेहरे पे कहीं पे आपको अग्रेशन नहीं दिखेगा, उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में नहीं दिखेगा, but you will sense the aggression at all times. So,
amazing.
Yeah, so that's why I was like, yeah, let's do this, man. This is good fun.
Fantastic. Right. Another thing, because I mean, people keep talking about it, and I'm sure you've been asked pertaining that several times, that web is booming. We have insane stuff. There's constant content coming up on web, and here you are. This is just your second show on the web, and you had a really good innings earlier as well. What is it? Have you managed, do you feel that it is still, now we are reaching a point of stagnation with web content where there is way too much things to look forward to, and still then it becomes difficult for you as an actor to choose a product as well?
No, I don't think so. I feel there's a lot of content, but पहले कैसा था, पहले बहुत exclusive content हुआ करता था web के. When it began, it was extremely exclusive. So the problem is that the viewer had limited choices. He didn't have to be like कि अरे ये choose करो या वो choose करो. There were limited choices, interesting content happening, and better than TV, of course. So it is an active medium. It's not a passive. Television is a passive medium. मेरी माँ सब्जी काटते काटते टीवी देखती है और सीरियल देखती है, तो उसको पर ये आप चूज करते हो कि मुझे ये शो देखना है. It's an active medium. But for us, for actors who are just graduating to web and are going to start on a large scale on web, in fact, we have a lot of options now to choose from. और कि एक हाथ प्रोजेक्ट अगर नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ, ये हुआ वो हुआ, तो you have 4 more projects coming your way. So we have a larger pool to choose from. What is going to happen is there's going to be a lot of trash also that is going to be made eventually.
Of course.
But as the amount of quality goes up, like quality products, and the quantity also goes up along with that, there's trash also that's going to increase. So you only have to be aware and be sure that you're not being a part, you're not by mistake or by chance ending up choosing something that is not worthy of doing a web show. But utna hi you have to take care as an actor. Like we can, as actors, we can take care of that. Secondly, anybody, like my mother doesn't watch, like my mother used to watch everything on TV, but now she watches everything on her tablet.
Yes, that's true.
So even if she's watching a daily soap, she'll watch it on her tab. Because she has the permit कि यार मेरे को शाम को 8 बजे ही बैठ के देखना, ऐसा नहीं है मैं 9 बजे 10 बजे 11 बजे कभी भी मेरा शो.
Appointment viewing is not a thing anymore.
So it's all gone to web now. So now वो TV भी अभी web में convert हो जाएगा. It's just a matter of time. 5 साल बाद वही होने वाला है. So there is like web. So now what the next step to do is, what do? You make sensible content, which, you know, people like my mother will also, my mother will watch Guna. She watches daily soaps, but she will watch Guna also. I told her, yeah, this is because my previous web show, it had a lot of, sexual undertones to it. But it is so clean also at the same time, though it's a thriller and this and that. It's got action and everything, but it's clean. So my mother can watch it and enjoy it. But similarly, it's not completely TV. So a person like me or any of my peers who have left watching TV long back, we don't watch daily soaps as for entertainment. I might watch it if I'm doing TV. I might watch some other show, थोड़ा सा समझने के लिए क्या चल रहा है market. But my peers will watch Guna also, and my mother will also. So now there is this new bracket forming in, where it's like the middle way. You know, on web there are TV people are graduating to web as viewers also. So there is content which caters to the active audience as well as the TV audience. So Guna is, I feel, something like that, you know. That's why they've kept it free on mobile. कि आप मेरी माँ भी देख सकती है और उतना ही एंजॉय कर सकती है, और मेरा कोई दोस्त है स्कूल का, मैं उसको भी रेकमेंड कर सकता हूँ कि भाई गुना देख. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगेगा, मैं अपना टीवी शो नहीं उसको रेकमेंड करूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे पता है नहीं देखेगा. डेली सोप नहीं देखेगा. वो दिन भर 12 घंटे काम करने के बाद डेली सोप नहीं देखने वाला घर पे आके. हाँ, वो कोई वेब शो ऑन करेगा या आईपीएल देखेगा या क्रिकेट देखेगा, कुछ और देखेगा, फुटबॉल देखेगा, लेकिन डेली सोप नहीं देखेगा. पर वो गुना देखेगा ऑन वेब. मेरी मॉम. सो ये दोनों ऑडियंसेस को एक साथ लेके आया. ये जो तो क्वांटिटी आपकी बढ़ रही है ना, उसके साथ ये काफी सारे ऑप्शंस भी बढ़ रहे हैं, जो अच्छे ऑप्शंस भी हैं.
अमेजिंग. दैट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू. यू नो, दैट मेक्स सो मच मोर सेंस, बिकॉज़ वो एक मिडवे जो जैसा आ गया है कि जहाँ पे इनको भी केटर हो रहा है, वहां पे भी केटर हो रहा है. दैट्स ट्रू. एंड यू नो, अगेन what you said is so true, but also, you know, इसमें क्या हो जाता है कि because बाकी सबका अटेंशन स्पैन इतना कम हो गया है, लाइक यू नो, आजकल लिटरली आपके पास 10 सेकंड है किसी का अटेंशन होल्ड करने के लिए. एंड लाइक इवन इन रील्स, लाइक आई मीन समथिंग एज कॉमन एज रील्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, if you're not able to engage them in 10 seconds, they'll just scroll up. 10 seconds भी मैं शायद ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ. So in this context, my question is that, you know, इस तरह में जहाँ पे हमने ऑलरेडी बात की कि इतना सारा कंटेंट ऑलरेडी है, इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स ऑलरेडी है, इसमें आपको, जब आप, आई नो कि एज एन एक्टर शायद आप ये हर बार नहीं सोचते, लेकिन जब आप सोचते हो, आपको लगता है कि यार मैं जो शो कर रहा हूँ, लाइक गुना इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट, के इसे अगर मुझे स्टैंड आउट कराना है तो क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं, या यू नो, आप वो सोचते हैं कि यार मेरा शो कैसे स्टैंड आउट होगा इतने सारे, यू नो, इतने सारे खिचड़ी में मेरा कैसे निकलेगा बाहर.
Sea of content, correct. Yeah. समंदर है content का पूरा का पूरा.
Exactly. So do you think about all these things, and do you feel that, you know, or get worried about it as well कि यार मेरा कैसे निकल के बाहर आए?
नहीं, worried तो बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि worry करके कोई फायदा है नहीं, उससे कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. आपका ही बीपी बढ़ेगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. दूसरी चीज ये है कि देखो, कंटेंट तभी बिकेगा जब वो कंटेंट में दम है. क्या चलेगा क्या नहीं, आज तक कोई डिसाइफर नहीं कर पाया पिछले 50 सालों में. नोबडी. इवन यू गो बैक टू द 60s 70s, एक्टर्स डायरेक्टर्स यूज्ड टू से कि यार मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे कहानी बतानी है, मैंने अपने दिल से बताई. वो ज्यादातर लोगों के साथ अगर आइडेंटिफाई हो गई तो वो चल जाए. कभी कभी बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से भी अगर आप बताओ, फिर भी कुछ मेजॉरिटी डज नॉट आइडेंटिफाई विद इट, एंड यू रियलाइज इट लेटर कि अरे यार ये नहीं, people are not connecting with it. They're not finding it relatable. I told it very genuinely, and it's a new story, but still. So वो क्या connect कर जाएगा, किससे वो relate कर पाएंगे immediately, आप नहीं बोल सकते. तो उसको आप छोड़ ही दो. The only thing you can do is that very sincerely and honestly you tell your story in the best possible way that you can. Do not compare it with reels. देखो reels का क्या है ना, I'll tell you one thing. मैं आपको एक interesting कहानी बताऊंगा. अभी अगर किताब की कहानी, तो मैं आपको ना 1 घंटा एंगेज करके रख सकता हूँ, अगर वो कहानी सच में अच्छी हो तो, और मेरे बताने का तरीका अच्छा हो. रील का वैसा नहीं होता. रील इज, अगर मैं आपको अभी एक जोक बताऊं और वो जोक आधा घंटा चलेगा, तो आप 5 मिनट के बाद बोलोगे भाई बस क्या है जोक, जल्दी बता, मेरे को हंसना है और मेरे को निकलना है आगे. समझे? तो रील जो है ना, वो जोक की तरह है. उसको आप 10 सेकंड में ही खत्म करना है आपको, और 10 सेकंड में हंसी आई तो आई, नहीं तो छोड़ दो. इट इज, यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर रील कंटेंट विद वेब का कंटेंट. हाँ, तो वहां का अटेंशन स्पैन कम ही होगा हमेशा, क्योंकि उस कंटेंट का जो ग्रेविटी है, ग्रेविटास है, वो बहुत कम ही है. It's not some wow क्या content मैं I want to listen, I want to see what's happening next. ऐसा रील कितनी भी बढ़िया रील हो, आपको नहीं होगा. आपको 10 सेकंड में खत्म भाई, निकल, वैसा वाला है ना. It's joke. Right. It's small. It's like a small joke you tell. The more you elongate the joke, people are going to lose their attention. But telling a story on web or telling a story on film, that is a piece of art, na. It's not a joke.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So वो लंबा content भी लोग बैठ के देखते हैं क्योंकि that has been crafted over a period of months. People have written it, thought about how they're gonna narrate the story so that it becomes interesting for the viewer or the listener. That's like narrating a book, na. When you narrate a book, you're prepared to sit for 2 hours to listen to it if it's an interesting book.
Right.
So, और web और movies का आप नहीं compare करते. Real है वो, इसलिए तो वो pocket में मिलता है ना content आपको. It's like Insta पे जाके टक करते रहो, you just keep watching reels. So वो, and it's like, I mean, it's interesting. Like many people are getting to do small snippets and everything. It's a great platform for talent to come and showcase their talent.
Absolutely.
But comparing it with web and cinema content is completely two different ballparks altogether. It's like weird to compare.
No, that's true. This was basically in context to कि आप जब basic even with web right now, as I mentioned, कि जब आप भी जनरल कंसेंसस ऐसे हो गया है कि जब आप सोचते हो कि ठीक है आज मुझे हॉटस्टार पे बैठ के ये वाला शो मैंने सोचा है मैं देखने वाला हूँ, खाना वाना लेके बैठ जाते हो. लेकिन अगर आपको पहले 5-10 और ये नया शो है, आपने दूसरों के रिकमेंडेशन पे सुना है, लेकिन अगर आप 5-10 मिनट में उसमें एंगेज नहीं होते तो आपके पास वो ऑप्शन है इमीडिएटली निकल के 50 दूसरी चीजें देखने का.
So
it's on basis of that कि यार मतलब इतना कम हो गया है in that context.
In that context, I agree with you completely. मैं 5-10 मिनट नहीं दूंगा, मैं 20 मिनट दूंगा. लेकिन 20 मिनट के बाद मैं बंद कर दूंगा. अनलेस मेरे को दूसरे दिन कुछ मिला ही नहीं, फिर मैं और 20 मिनट देखूंगा. फिर 1 घंटे के बाद अगर वो मुझे एंगेज करेगा तो जाऊंगा. तो but that is sheer luck.
That is sheer luck. Yeah, exactly. So that was the pain thing. And finally, just to round things up, you're working with Surbhi Jyoti, who's also been a very popular television face. Zain Ibad, who did so fantastic with Ashkana, who did wonders for Hotstar. It's such an interesting mix of actors and people coming together, and we already saw this really fun stuff that she put it up on social media. How has been the vibe otherwise, and what has been the learnings, and because she's also done web earlier as well in a very different way. So what has been the kind of vibe and learning with each other overall?
I think learning is a continuous process. Each other ke saath nahi. I thought with Surbhi, I think I'm the most comfortable. I felt the most comfortable, and I'm not saying it because this show is coming. Otherwise I would have said it for every show that I was doing.
Yeah, right.
लेकिन अभी तक की ट्रेजेक्टरी में अभी तक मैंने 3-3.5 साल ही मैंने हिंदी बेल्ट में काम किया है. उससे ज्यादा हिंदी बेल्ट में मैंने कमर्शियल स्पेस में काम नहीं किया है. तो मेरी तो शुरुआत है. सुरभि तो कब से कर रही है, लेकिन उस हिसाब से वो बहुत सीनियर है मुझे. लेकिन अभी तक के मेरे 3.5 साल में जितनी एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ मैंने काम किया, मुझे सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्ट अगर आप पूछो तो मुझे सुरभि के साथ I was quite surprised. मैं बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील किया on a very personal level also. I think because she's a kind of a person जिसके साथ आप मतलब एटलीस्ट मैं कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ, एंड मुझे पता है कि वो उसको गलत तरीके से नहीं. तो मुझे वो ना इंटरनली सोचना नहीं पड़ता सेट पे काम करते हैं कि अभी मैं ये ऐसे बोल दिया तो उसको ऐसा लगेगा. ये सब सोचना नहीं पड़ता. जो मन में है, जो मुंह पे आए वो बोल दो. और वो अगर वो जोक है तो जोकिंगली लेगी, अगर वो कोई सीरियस चीज है तो वो मैच्योरली सुनेगी, और उस पे यू कैन हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन विद हर.
Fantastic.
Good balance of both the things. So I felt the most comfortable with her. Not that I didn't feel comfortable with the previous co-actors.
Of course.
I think with her it was the most like the highest amount of comfort that I felt while I was working.
Super.
I just hope that it reflects on the screen as well when we're working together.
I'm sure. Fantastic. Just finally, one last question, Kashmir. And because, as I mentioned, you obviously have Khatro coming up, and that will be the notice point right now, because it's obviously a popular show and everything. Once that ends, I'm assuming only then, Guna comes into play, and, that will be. So how is it that, how would you want that, Guna makes an impact where, as you mentioned, there might be, continuation. There will be season 2, or, there will be a continuation of sorts.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
What would you want the most, the audience taking the takeaway from Guna, and which they continue and hopefully it stays? Aisa kya takeaway you think that they should be taking?
I think we will mostly be coming with the second season drop this year itself, like within a month's time or so. First correction is, while I'll be doing Khatro, Guna will be out already.
Acha, fantastic. Okay.
The first drop will be out while I'll be doing Khatro. So Khatro will come after Guna. Ka first season drop begins. So Guna will come in, but I will be like, doing Khatro, and will be having, stuff coming in from
Right.
on Hotstar.
Hmm.
So that will be happening. And I finish Khatro and I come and I start with the second season of Guna. As I was telling you earlier, yeah, I'll be like,
Yes, you're right.
I'm more excited for the second season of Guna because I'll be like,
Better
in a
shape
better
or
shape.
hoga.
Yeah, in the first season, I've not removed my shirt. Maybe in the second season, I'll tell them, let's go shirtless all the time. It'll be good.
Amazing.
So yeah, but I feel the cliffhanger that we're leaving on the first season, there has to be a second season very early, very soon.
Right.
Because otherwise, the format won't, really appeal the way it should appeal. So I think it is in store. It will happen very soon.
Fantastic. That sounds really, really good. Thank you so much, Gushmeet, for your time. I wish you all the best for your Khatro journey. I wish you all the best for Guna and everything else. Really excited. Looking forward to meeting you soon as well.
Absolutely. Likewise, bro. You take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care, man. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.